Welcome back to my channel, all of you and my dear students. From this session onwards, I am going to start discussion about the all multiple choice questions chapter wise, useful for your NEET exam. So we are trying to cover all chapter wise MCQs. So please concentrate from the beginning to the end and then practice each and every question, and first important thing, read the textbook also thoroughly. Okay, let's begin. So first topic I'm going to start with is the living world. So I'm going to divide this discussion in two categories. First category, I'm going to discuss the previous year's papers, previous year's questions from that chapter. In the second, I'm going to discuss my own questions from a different material. This is how at least about 40 to 50 questions I want to discuss from each topic. So I think that should be very, very useful to you. So please share to your friends to the maximum possible and ask everyone to subscribe so that it will be very useful to you. Okay, let's come back to the topic. So I'm going to start first with the living world. Let us see, begin with the first question. First question, this appeared in 2018. First question. Match the items given in column 1 and 2. Simple question it is. You have to know about herbarium, key, museum and catalog. So here you are, the correct answer here is the fourth one. A. Herbarium is matched with 3. It is a space where dried and pressed plant specimens are mounted on the sheets. Then B is given for 4. Key. Key is a booklet containing list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa. Then next, the museum. Museum is 1. It is the place having collection of preserved plants and animals. And then last, the catalog. Catalog is, it is a enumerates methodically all the species found in a particular area. So catalog means it is a list of all the specimens found in particular area. That is called as a catalog. Okay, now let us see the next question. The label of herbarium sheet does not carry information on. So it does not carry information on D, answer D, height of the plant. Remaining all you can find. That is date of collection, name of collector, local names. These all you can find except for the height of the plant. Then next let us go to the third one. You have to match the column 1. Again this is a matching question which appeared in 2016. You have to match column 1 and B, family, order, class and phylum. So here the and other column Diptera, Arthropoda, Mucidae and Insecta. So you have to correct option here is the first one. That is A with 3, Mucidae family, and B with 1, order is Diptera, and class C with 4, Insecta, phylum Arthropoda. So this is how you can match. So you can look here, the correct option given as the first one. Okay, now let us go to the next question. You have to give the given the 4 statements and you have to identify the correct statement. Correct statement are A and D. Let us look into that. Definition of biological species was given by Ernest Mayr. That is correct. D is in unicellular organism. Reproduction is synonymous with growth. That is also correct. So correct answer is this one. Let us see the other wrong statements. Photoperiod does not affect reproduction in plant. It affects. So that is a wrong. Binomial nomenclature system was given by Whittaker. So binomial nomenclature was not given by Whittaker. It was first given by Gaspard Bohin. Was the first one to give binomial nomenclature. Okay, now next let us go to the fifth question. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rule. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Third one. Biological names can be written in any language. That is not correct. Because it should be written only in Latin. It cannot be written in any language. This was also asked in 2016. Next, which one of the following is not correct statement? First statement, museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. That is not correct. What is museum? It has a collection of preserved specimens. Other three are correct. If you look into the other three, they are the correct statement. So you should read the statement also. Okay. Now next look at the next one. Seventh question. Let us look at the seventh question. The common character between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their. Common characters are maximum among the options given. Maximum common characters you find in the family. As lower is the taxon, its maximum common characters are more. Next one. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum. Okay, the others are not correct because common name is not correct here. Musca domestica housefly. What is given here? Lizard is given. Similarly, these also are not correct. So you can look into that. This was asked in 2012. The next ninth question. Which of the following animals is correctly matched? So here you will get the first option. Next, 10th. Which one of the following species is an exclusive character of living things? Perception of events happening in environment and their memory. Perception of events means response to any external stimulus. Then, ICBN stands for. Next question you can see. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This was also asked once in 2007. Next, 12th question. Living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from non-living things on the basis of their ability. So what is their basis of the ability? Respond to external stimulus. This one, responsive to touch. Any response to external stimulus. Next, 13th question. One of the most important function of botanical gardens is they allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Ex situ means outside the living organisms. That is called ex situ. Next, species are considered as the real basic unit of classification. Real basic units of classification. Lowest unit, artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined. All these are not correct. Okay, you will find real basic units of classification. Next, biosystematics aims at 15th question. You can look at the 15th question. Biosystematics aims at. The answer will be 3 here. Classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all the fields of studies. Okay, classification based on evolutionary history. That is mainly biosystematics. Next, let us go to question number 16. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? Less general in characters means they have many similar characters. So that is the species. Next, the term genera plantarum was written by Bentham and Hooker. Second option, Bentham and Hooker. Next, 18th question. Taxon is the unit of a group of. Taxonomy. Any unit of classification that is called as a taxon. Okay, now let us go to the next question, 19th question. Linnaeus is credited with, what is his credit? Binomial nomenclature. Next, sequence of taxonomic category is Division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. This is a descending sequence. This is in a descending order of their hierarchy. Next, the term phylum was given by Cuvier. This was also once asked, of course, long ago. Next, a group of plants and animals with similar traits of any rank, that is called as a taxon. Next, a taxon is 23rd question. Taxon is a taxonomic group of any ranking. Fourth option. Next, basic unit or smallest taxon. What is that called as? Species. Basic or smallest taxon, that is called as a species. Okay, let's go to the next question. Quick referral system in taxonomic studies are herbaria. They are considered to be quick referral system. The next, let us go to the 7th question. Information of any taxon is found in the monographs. Next, let us go to the 9th question in the next page. The pair of contrasting characters in key, it is called as a couplet. Next, 12th question. The taxonomic hierarchy from species to kingdom. What happens in a taxonomic hierarchy, species to kingdom? Number of common characters will decrease. Number of common characters decrease. Next, go to question number 15th. Potato, tomato, brinjal differ in taxon. Which one? They differ in species. Differ in species. Differ in which taxon? Then, because potato, what is the scientific name? Solanum tuberosum. Lycopersicum esculentum, that is for tomato. Brinjal, it is Solanum melongena. So actually Lycopersicum differs with both genus and species. If we take potato and brinjal, it differs with only species. Genus will be same. Next, 16th, first step in taxonomy, that is called as description or characterization. That is called first step, description or characterization. Then identification, nomenclature and classification. Okay, now next go to next one, 22nd question. Let us see. The earliest classification was based on reproduction of plants, uses of plants, diversity or evolutionary. It was based on uses of plants. Okay, next just few more we can discuss. Let us see. 32. Plant specimen that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets are found in. Where do we find? Herbarium. So dried species are used here. Similarly, in museums also they are dried. Next, herbarium sheets label provides information about. So date and place of collection, common names, etc. Third option you will take here. Next, go to question number 37. Lead is each statement in key, that is called as a lead. Next, 38. The famous International Botanical Garden is at England. That is called as a Royal Botanical Gardens. It is large. It has a largest herbarium also. Okay, now the next question. A living organism is unexceptionally differentiated from a non-living structure on the basis of. So it is differentiated on the basis of responsiveness, response to any external stimulus. Only living organisms can show response to external stimulus, but not the non-living. So responsiveness. Reproduction, growth, they cannot be called as a defining feature of living organisms. Next, Plants were given Latin names because you should consider it is a dead language. So there will not be any objections. It is no more, it is in use. That's why they are given in the Latin. Next, let us see next question. Among all the kingdoms, the only taxon that exists in nature as a biological cohesive unit. Biologically cohesive unit means all together are present. Because species means it is the basic unit of classification. And also they can interbreed among themselves. This way they are present as a cohesive unit. So answer will be species. Next, in taxonomic hierarchy, family is in between. Family is in between order and genus. Closest option is order and genus. Next, fifth question. Which of the following taxonomic categories include all the others? All the others. Suppose we observe all the four, which is including all the other means highest taxon we have to choose. So which is the highest taxon? Order. So order will include all the other because that is the highest taxon. Okay. Now let me go through the next one. Two organisms are present in same class but not in the same family. They may belong to the same. They are present in same class but not in the family. That means next order. Next higher one you have to choose here. So order. Next, which of the following is not a category? Glumaceae. Glumaceae actually it is not the category. Glumaceae. It belongs to, it is a monocot family. Name of the family. Name. It is not a category but it is the name of the family. Next, which of the following are mainly considered for declaring new plant species? First one, characters of endosperm, anatomical characters, physiological characters, and floral characters. So among these, floral characters are taken because they are more stable compared to any other characters. Floral characters are more stable. Next, which of the following is defining characteristic of living organisms? So defining characters of living organisms, you have to give response to external stimulus. That is the defining character, but not the other three. Next, most convenient way for easy identification of plants and animals by applying diagnostic features is the use of taxonomic keys. By applying diagnostic features, taxonomic keys can be used for identification. Now last two questions we can do with that. So sequence of events in herbarium preparation. This sequence is given in the textbook. So first what should be done? Collection, then drying, then pressing, preservation, arrangement according to universally accepted classification. So that will be sequence for herbarium preparation. Now next one, Darwin of 20th century is Ernest Mayr, is considered as Darwin of 20th century. So with this I complete the topic. I have given about 50 questions I discussed from this topic. So I hope you understood it. I hope it is useful to you. So please, if it is useful, please watch the video and also share the video to your friends, to your contacts, everyone, so that those, especially for those children who are preparing for NEET, in the coming NEET exam in next month, it will be very useful to you. Okay, thank you very much for listening.